What's going on, guys? I don't know. They again with another video. So today we're out on the river. Well, me, they out on the river. So today what we are gonna do, guys, is we are gonna deal with some steamed fishes. Because right now with the woman, the sun hot, and we just link up with cousin and Virgin and say, oh, go out on the river, cook some fishes. So we're out on the river now. I wait for them, then I reach it. So I want to go cross the water and go clean up the fish them and things, me guys. So we just go relax and just have a chill day, eat some fish and all of that, me guys. So hope you enjoy this and just keep on watching, me. Just like the video, subscribe, drop a comment. So yeah, guys, I go cross the river now and go get the fish them clean up and wait till them forward to start catch up fire and stuff. I forgot the lighter, so now I have to bring it home because I don't know how much I catch a fire. Even though I know how to do it, but I don't see the resources. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I think I'm not going to across the water. I'm just going to stay on this side and do what I do, because the stick them and everything on this side and no shade no over on the other side, you see me, guys. So let's stay on that side here and see what we can do. So I go and clean up the fish them now until them fall and catch up the fire, but they might come with the lighter for light the fire. So I'm just do what we can do for now. So yeah. Alright, peeps, so I go on here. Fish. You see me, guys. Aye that bone, man. Yeah, man, so guys, so I go on and fish them here now. Put them in the water here, so. And go and thaw out a little. Yeah, man, guys, so them have some grunt, you see me, guys? Some grunt. You see me? Just got the shop, go get them and stuff, because it was a sudden move, so don't know the stuff here and get them and thing, you see me, guys? So, that's the grunt. So there's some little mullets there, guys. I don't know if you can see them. Some little mullets that swim all about. Yeah, man. So yeah, I'm going to make them the water too. And then I start scale them. And my knife here, so. So I'm going to the bag now, guys. Everything I'm going to use. My crackers, noodle, seasoning. So yeah, man, guys, that's I pray for today, isn't it? Some nice steam fish and relax on the river and easy back. We're going to catch about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, we're home back. Isn't it? We just want to relax in the water and just eat some food, and isn't it, guys, release some stress and all of that. So yeah, not that I have any stress, but just saying, isn't it? Clear your mind. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start scale the fish them now. Because I'm kind of get soft now, so I'm going to start scale them. So here, guys, some nice size. Alright, guys, so I go on here now. Fish them scale up and look nice. You see me? So this I pray now. Where I get them seasoned up now, guys, and make them go and marinate. You see me? So I post the cook slice on them and just make them go and season them up and make them go and marinate and cut up some cabbage and stuff. So you guys see what I'm going, you see me? So I could just jump right into that. Bag as the season. Guys, none of them fish are very nice. So comment down below and tell me if these are good fish like this. Sure. Oh, snap cut. Oops. That's a little more cut them. guys, we're gonna bag one big cabbage and one carrot, one Irish, and $25. Okay, so I'm done steam clean up the fish them, season them up and everything. So I get this rest of season them clean up and cut up. So me I talk about it. Soon show now I go on. Onion, scallion thyme. Wait. So we are going up on that side where we can get shade and start up the fire, isn't it guys? Because them people are reach now. So them now come. So we want to go across the water now guys. Only the down this so I'll look boost. Come now man. I want to go across first. Yep, change of plans because of these fellas. And I change my plan. Yeah. Go on. Oh, it's my phone in my bag. Yo! Before that surely wake up, brother. I say yes, I man. Whoa. Well, when we reach grass. Alright. What I man. That's a really big gun. The big machine. Yeah. Reach grass. Reach grass now guys, so thankful, thank God. Reach grass. Water really deep, believe me, so he might go back for him girlfriend. Reach grass. That's all. Yeah, right now, hungry liquid. I eat tough crackers. Yeah. Find some over there, sir. Take up the stone hot, you know.
No phone, I go.
Right over there, sir.
No, one more water to grab?
No, sir. No? How we look? You clean as... You clean though. Right guys, so we reach a spot. We're gonna look about the fish them. You see me guys, so find a nice shade. Put on the stuff for me so. Check. So try to pick up them man, try to yeah. So I'm going to cut up the sitting them now. Cabbage. Which bag there, you know?
Yo, so where say I cook today, dog?
Steamed fish.
Eh?
Uranium. Crackers.
Eh? What kind of fish you cook?
Grunt, man.
Grunt?
Yeah.
That's not bad. What do you know?
I put up the seasoning, man. Now.
Yeah, Riverside, that look good. Let's walk on. Hey, Shav. My river view, man.
Yeah, we stop, brother. Something going on. Stop?
Stop, blink,
No, man, no, man, you're good, you're good. You're good. Just touch the screen.
Yeah, brother. It's a Maggie. Dog.
Some of this. Season it up first. So good, Fred.
Drop this one some fish if you more. Well, my brother.
I fish it.
Fish and go, yes, I go and relax, you see me? Yeah. I go and relax right here. Fire side. With margarine.
More than that.
You know, don't know say yo. You don't know them humpy stumpy man, you know. If you have a woman from the riverside, you well mix up. Guys, so now go and set up a fire well proper, you know. Start out everything, you know. Melt up the water. Don't you see a steam fish, you know, brother? Oh. This now, one heap of butter me use now. Yeah. Love when time the butter soak through everything, you know, brother. Cut off the butter, make it melt.
It's a fish, them, no? I can't mind them. Just get them, come on, come put them in there. Yeah, I'll do right now, bro.
You see how big? Why you put in there? Everybody asleep head and tail in there. Head and tail. Everybody asleep head and tail in this. All who big, turn them sideways on the bed. Still head and tail.
Alright, back some more. Alright.
Yeah. They want them already.
You get your
Yeah.
season them now. Alright, cut
See
up the
season
butter.
out of my fish, I not left the same way. Don't forget it.
Hey, butter. Behind it. Behind it. Nice, there, so. The butter in there, no? Then I think it's going to steam.
So I should over. Yeah.
think it's going to lean.
You know, you get all the amount of, you get one heap of butter. Hold on, just low him. When time him done, you start out that.
Oh, yeah, aye.
Oh yes, my butter to rat it. You do have to know it big.
Oh, it's about up.
Nice.
So, I think he says so.
I'm not this only. Some more butter you have. The sink of the fish. Get the soap and everything. Yeah.
Truckers time.
The boy truckers not really know. Trying to have the back the black walk up this up. Up till to the day. Young truckers not do. Tap nyamuk pun cakap Zim.
Ya. Começa, ó.
start now. We have chop there. We don't want some.
Banana. Okay.
Time they start now. They don't want to scratch the foot. They look at stupid because they have no what this is. Really? Riverside Prison. Right, get down. Say it. Lift your board.
You got foot mash here, you know?
Them see ya. Yeah, no, you don't have this.
Hey.
Me no kind of part the same day. I've looked there.
A plate there. Go there to touch. Good fire, look. Pass it this on.
Need to skin out over the blood. Or mix it in the
Where is that? Where is that? So Sama, you wanna go snake that? You wanna snake this? Man, what wicked you know? Who come again? Who come me again? And who come you eat? Make one?
Well, I'll buy some fish tea next.
We do Got that? Yeah, boy, that jam no good. That's my next fish.
Banana bear? You get that? Maybe take you out. Mine don't get none.
Come on, my phone.
Stop feeding me tell someone else. Feed the man have to report you. Yeah, brother. Oh, just right, bro. They don't know if you survive or that.
But did you want some?
But yeah, look fine. Like it's true.
You want to shovel you want some?
Take you well back serious.
You love how much do you want?
Too much toast to get your time back.
Yeah, you put the baby. Where?
Extra deep, you know.
Yeah. So I'm going to know, guys. Get some swim and now. You see me and wash off and thing and then go home. Just finish eat the fish them. We're going to swim in the water now. What? Wash the dirty clothes them now. Hey guys, so finish everything you know. Not really sure about the time, but it's evening now guys. You see me, so we'll pack up all the stuff there and we are heading with. Yes. Right now we're just head home now. You left over there. They're behind. Yeah, so we have to cross the water. Whoa. Till we reach back water. Alright. So we reach on the other side. Oh. Take the time now guys, man. So hope you guys enjoy that one here, isn't it? And you guys stay tuned for the others. And yeah, that's all I can see right now. So I say, hope you all enjoy this one. So
then close the beach, then close the river, but they all close the factory.
Is the water cold? Jaja. Hello. Good evening. Yo, sunset yeah. Epic. Oh, yeah, pretty end of the look later. Into fine. Me see my run, yes? Yeah.